Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to use show and hide blocks in Scratch. So before we start, we can go ahead and choose the sprites for today, which could be some sort of a city bus. Yes, and we can just go ahead and choose the backdrop as well. Could be some outdoors, and we can choose a colorful city. Yes, now this looks fine. So today we're going to see the usage of show and hide using a game over. So whenever a particular game is over, it should display a message called game over, and at the start of the game the message should not be displayed. We can do that. So I'm going to go to events and take when green flag is clicked, and we'll just make the bus move towards the edge. So now I'm just gonna go to motion, and I'm gonna keep my bus here and go take the glide 1 second to block here. So now if it's touching the edge, it is going to display a message. So if touching the edge, it's going to display me a message, which could be broadcast message. Now here the message could be game over. So I'm going to type as game over and click on OK. Right? So now whenever I click the green flag, it's going to stand here. So before we start, we're going to fix the position. So I'm going to keep the bus here and fix the position to go to X and Y, so that whenever the green flag is clicked, it starts from here. So let's say I'm just going to keep in some position and check. Yes, this works fine. But what happens when a broadcast message is displayed for game over? Now we are going to go to the paint editor and create a sprite called game over. So I'm just gonna create a sprite called game over, maybe make the size a little bit bigger so that you all can see it. Yes, now we can go to code and gonna click on game over, and we'll see what happens. So what happens when I receive game over, the particular sprite should show up. So I'm gonna go to looks and take a block called show, but at the start of the game, when I press the green flag, it should not show the sprite. So whenever the green flag is clicked, it should hide. So this is the most purpose of show and hide block. So I'm just gonna add hide, and whenever I'm gonna click on the green flag, when the bus touches the edge, the game is going to be over and the message will be displayed. So I'm gonna click on the green flag, it touches the edge and the game is over. So this is the usage of show and hide block, and you can always add on your thoughts to it, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.